Hair volumizing treatment is step 4 in the Therapy G 4-step treatment system. Apply 8 to 12 sprays directly on the towel-dried hair and run your hands or a comb through the hair. Your clients will feel a wonderful scalp cooling sensation after the tingling sensation created by the first 3 steps. There will be a slight tacky feel as you are doing this, but this will totally dissipate within minutes and will leave the hair feeling as if there is nothing in the hair. The benefits linger on each hair shaft, and you're now creating thicker, fuller, flexible hair. Hair volumizing treatment strengthens, nourishes, and improves the texture of thinning or fine hair. Your client's hair will look good and feel good instantly, which encourages patients to achieve results from the full system. Patented Tryptophan Guard protects the hair with no dry hair or itchy scalp whatsoever. Style as desired or create amazing finishes with Therapy G Design Gel or So Fine Aerosol Hairspray.